what's up YouTube? We're here today at Espressotec Sales and Service. We're in our Barista Lab. What do we got? We have an overview video. We jumped way past the unboxing. Most of the staff in the store just wanted to open the box, check it out, and try out the new Jura S8. Jura S8, whatever you want to say. This is the machine that comes out of Switzerland. Great machine, Swiss brand. Really, it's all about the touchscreen. That's what's going on with this machine. The Jura S8 is the new replacement for the S line. Right out of the box, it comes with most of the things you'd expect to get from a machine of this caliber from Jura. It comes with the OTC features, so all your milk drinks come from here, an adjustable milk foamer, included hot water tap, a cleaning bucket. This thing's the best part in my opinion. It's really easy. You add the solution, you add the water, you push the button, and because it's all measured in here, the machine does the rest for you. Quite simple. One of the other favorite features is its bean hopper. This machine has normal bean hopper from Jura, probably holds about a half bag of coffee, but it's about the lid. This is a new upgraded feature from them, something that we noticed right away. It's a die-cast chrome lid, really quite heavy, has a nice good seal around the sides, and so even if you're not drinking your coffee every day, or you are, you can rest assured that your beans are really staying quite fresh, and that whole experience is quite nice in terms of refilling the bean hopper and things like that. On the sides, we have a nice water tank, about 1.5 to 2 liters. Jura is integrating these new intelligent water filter systems. Comes in, goes back in somehow like this. Pretty easy. I'll just get over to the side there. And then the machine senses that you've replaced the filter. After about 2 months worth of use, 1.5 months, it'll notify you with a small notification on the top, just to let you know to change your filter. All you need to do is remove that, put in the new filter, and put it back. When you're using the filtration, this improves coffee beverages, it bypasses the need to do descales, but if you don't want to use them, you can also always do those descales. Towards the machine and the insides of it, the machine has a new pulse extraction process. This is a programming thing. It allows the machines to function quieter, but actually brew better coffee. That's more important. The espresso that comes out is richer, smoother, fuller bodied, which is quite nice. If you're looking to taste it for yourself, come in the store, try it out, push the button. Navigating the touchscreen is really easy. It's just like doing things on our cell phones. It's a lot quicker to get from one place to another, rather than having to push buttons to kind of make a sequence, so to speak. This one, for instance, if we needed to clean the milk system, like the notification that comes up, you just push the notification and it brings you right to the menu to clean the milk system. That's it. We'll go back. On the fly adjustments, what else do we have with this machine? Oh, machines, Juras, they do a full 8 to 16 gram brew unit, so what you get is a double, a single, whatever kind of coffee you want, even if you like a weaker coffee, a stronger coffee, even just a quick espresso to go, these machines will make that. In the tray, they hold probably about 10 to 12, upwards of 15 pucks. Really, you should try and empty it on a daily basis, as well as the trays. But they'll all have sensors to let you know when they're full anyways. So if you just want to make coffee and kind of go about your day, this machine's that. All the best, guys. This is our overview. Comment below if you have any other questions about the machine. You guys are going to want to like and subscribe. Check out our next videos where we're going to be using the machine, making some espressos, some cappuccinos, and kind of showing what's going on. All the best. See ya.